Look at Paige.
Mommy, you know how people say it's raining, it's pouring, the whole day's not boring? I mean, the old man snore.
Yeah, the old man is snoring, right?
Yeah, but then there's one in that came with Pepper. There's this little one. It says rainy days, and it gives you a poem. It's raining, it's pouring. The whole day's not boring. Because it's not boring when it's raining.
Because you have your whole book of
fun.
Pepper?
Uh-huh.
That helps you not be bored, right, Lourdes? What are you going to do, Paigey? Oh, Paige, you have on your nice shoes. Play what? What are you playing on Connect? Hang on. Paigey, what are you doing? Dance in the rain.